YouTube channel. Today we will be seeing how we can delete the branch. So many other times when you have merged the code in master or main branch, you want to delete the old branches. Okay, and it is recommended after some time that we delete our branches. Otherwise, like when distributed team is there, many people are working on same repository. Okay, so there would be a lot of branches created. Okay, and it would be not easy to make out the changes who did what, right? So after the code is merged, usually the practice is to delete the branch as well. Okay, so let's find out which are the branches we have in our get. So there is a very simple command, get branch. This is going to give you what are the branches you have, feature 1, feature 2, and then the master. Master is marked with green color, okay, and then star. This means that you are currently on master branch. Okay, if suppose I want to delete any of the feature branches, right? I want to delete feature 2 branch. So again, there is a simple command named get branch hyphen d, d for delete, okay, and then the branch name, any of the old branch you want to delete or any branch you want to delete. Feature 2, hit enter. Okay, says deleted branch feature 2. Okay, now if I do get branch, right, so I will see only two branches, one is master and the other one is feature 1. Okay, you cannot delete a branch if suppose you have checked out that branch. Suppose if I have checked out feature 1, okay, and if suppose I want to delete this branch, let's say git branch for d feature 1. So it says cannot delete branch feature 1 checkout at this particular directory. Okay, so you can never delete the working branch, which means whichever branch you have checked out, you cannot delete that. Okay, so you always need to switch to the another branch so that you can delete that. So let's go back to master branch, check out master. Okay, and then now let's try git branch branch hyphen d and then the feature 1. Okay, and if suppose try to find what are the branches left over, sorry, okay, so only master branches left. Okay, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching this video.